Hello students, today my topic is RAM. Full form is Random Access Memory. It is internal or primary memory. It is also called main memory. It is temporary memory. It holds data and information as long as we are working on an application. It is a volatile memory. It can hold data till we are not switch off. Type of RAM, it have basically four type. First is DRAM, dynamic random access memory. It is temporary memory and need to refresh continuously rapidly after time duration. Next is SRAM, static random access memory. It is fast and expensive than the DRAM. It no need to refresh rapidly. Next is SDRAM, synchronized dynamic random access memory. It synchronize interface of transmit large amount of data at high speed. It can deliver large amount of data in very short time. Next is DDR-RAM, double data rate. It is fastest. It have fastest data transfer rate and it have a lot of variant: DDR2, DDR3, DDR4. It is used with fastest processor like i3, i5 and i7. Next is ROM, read-only memory. It is permanent memory. It is one time writable at right manufacturing time, and it have a software called BIOS, basic input output softwares. It is non-volatile memory because it holds all data always. It cannot remove, it cannot modify it. Basically, it used during the booting process. A program is working when we switch on our computer. Then BIOS software is running and call the interface, your operating system and other softwares. Type of ROM. First is PROM, programmable readable memory. All ROM read one time, write a program. That's why it's called the programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. By a process we erase and programmed in the memory. That's why it's called the EPROM. And next is EEPROM, electronically erasable programmable read-only memory. By electronic process we erase and reprogrammed in a ROM. That's why it's called the EEPROM. Next is flash memory. It is a specific type of EEPROM which mention to store information even without power source. Now next is masked ROM. It is memory that manufactured with the contents. This chip contain a software mask that it is burned. Now next is cache memory. It is a special high-speed memory that is a part of motherboard of CPU or CPU. It can be available on the board, motherboard, or in a CPU. Generally, we seen a CPU configuration. There's a mention a memory L1 memory, L2 memory, or especially mention a cache memory. If it is a large memory, then our CPU is comparatively higher speed, and otherwise it will become a slow. We are showing by the picture when a software operating system is called any file or software, then it search firstly in a cache memory, then it available here, then it show directly here without calling the hard disk, or if it is not available, then it call the hard disk, then it show the on the OS. When we first time opening any software, starting any software or opening a file, first time it take a time, because that time cache memory is empty, and when we close it, not turn off our system, and calling again that software or file, then it that time it available in a cache memory, then it directly show that file or software from the cache memory, then no need to call from the hard disk. So it is it take a very short time, very less time to display the file or software. Now next is secondary memory or external memory. We want to store or need a external memory to store our data permanently, or we can rewrite also it available like a hard disk and pen drive. It is rewritable. We can any time we can erase or write data, and also have a one-time writable devices also, CD, DVD, etc. Now next topic is units of memory. The smallest unit of the memory is bit. It can be a 0 or 1, it called the bit. It then nibble, 4 bits is equal to a 1 nibble, and 8 bit is equal to 1 byte. 1 KB, kilobyte. Kilo means 1000, but here no 1000, here is a 1024 because it is a multiple of the 2. Next is MB. 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. 1 GB is equal to 1024 equal to 1 MB. 1 TB, 1024 GB is 1 TB, and last is PB, petabyte. 1024 TB, terabyte is equal to 1 PB. Now next is ALU. All arithmetical logical performance are performed by the ALU. All arithmetical like a plus, minus, multiplication, this type of the operation is happening here, and also a comparison like a less than, greater than, this type of the working are happening in the ALU. Now next is CU, control unit. It is control all the activities and transfer of the data and instructions among the various units. All the activities what having and the CPU is controlled by the CU, and all the data transfer, how it transfer, where it transfer, and it is controlled by the CU. Now it's over today. Thank you.